The gender-based violence court in Juba has convicted and sentenced a 44-year ex-journalist to 3 years' imprisonment for sexually harassing a 13-year-old schoolgirl in Juba. Chol Lamdeng was handed the sentence on Monday after he was found guilty under Section 395 of the Penal Act, 2008. He committed the offense in his neighborhood in the Haine area. Judge Francis Amumawin, who presided over the case, said Lam's sentence took effect from March 17, 2022. Chol Lamdeng is sentenced to 3 years' imprisonment. Attitudes towards women and girls be rehabilitated and integrated into the society, where gender equality is at play with effects from 17/3 2022, Judge Amum read out the verdict. The judge also ordered the convict to pay £500,000 South Sudanese pounds to the survivor as reparation. According to the judic, Lam has the right to appeal against a court's decision within 15 days.